Alright guys, welcome to the second video of this channel. Today we're going to be doing a exhaust video again, but this time of the 2005 Corvette. It's a supercharged 6-liter LS2. It has a full exhaust with SLP headers and high flow caps and X-pipe, and then it has the Corsa exhaust. It's the Corsa Extreme model. Other performance mods, we got the Canon intake and a Lingenfelter 160-degree thermostat. Has a built 4-speed automatic transmission capable of up to 800 wheel horsepower. In this video we're going to get a couple exhaust clips, stationary Revs, driving, a couple of clips I took at the car show. And so yeah, the first clip is going to be of a cold start, and then we'll go from there.